Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you a prawn stir fry. Here I have laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. It is a very simple and easy to prepare side dish. It's also called as Malli Prawns. This is something I have named on my own, or Coriander Prawns. So let's get started. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed written recipe. I've heated a wok with oil. Once the oil has heated well, I've started to add my onions, and I'm going to fry the onions till it turns transparent. Now once the onions have fried, I'm just going to add some fennel seeds. I've crushed the fennel seeds slightly with my hands, and I'm going to add the fennel seeds. This will enhance the flavor and taste of the dish. And fennel seeds is good for digestion as well. So now I'm going to fry the fennel seeds. I used this chopper that I recently purchased on Amazon. So I'm very late in purchasing it, but I'm really enjoying it because I chopped all my onions, ginger and garlic, the coriander, everything in that chopper. Now I've added finely chopped ginger and garlic along with some curry leaves. I'm going to fry that well. Once the raw flavor has reduced, I've added ginger garlic paste also. Because the prawns contain a lot of fishy smell, I tend to add more of ginger and garlic. It enhances the flavor and taste. Now, all the raw flavor should reduce. That's when you add your spice powders. Here I've added chili powder, turmeric powder, meat masala, cumin seeds powder. Then I've added some pepper powder. We need to fry all of this again for the raw flavor to reduce. Once all the raw flavor has reduced, at this point I'm going to add the prawns. So the prawns was really large. I chopped it into small pieces. After I deveined it and washed it thoroughly, I chopped it into bite-sized pieces and I've added it. Because it was a very large prawn. They call this as wild catch or something like that. So these wild catch prawns were very good. I really enjoyed it. Nice and soft and tender meat. It cooked very well. Now I'll fry all of this just for a few seconds, not more than that. The prawns itself should cook for only 3 minutes. This is on high flame at this point. Now I'll be adding the chopped coriander and chilies. So the chopped coriander and chilies is like one fistful of corianders and 2 to 3 chilies. I chopped it in that chopper only. So now I'm going to fry everything, cover it and allow this to cook for just a minute. And after the prawn has released a lot of its juices, I'm going to be adding salt. Now we'll cover this and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Totally it should cook for 5 minutes. That's about it. Now once all that juices have evaporated and the prawn has cooked well, I've added some lime juice and I just gave it a good stir because there was a lot of moisture. So now you can see the prawn is nicely done. It is very good. It's looking really nice and tempting. Now my prawn side dish is ready. I'm going to serve this hot with some steam cooked rice. Do try this recipe friends and post your comments. Like, comment and share. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to try this recipe and send me your feedback. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.